I'm Amanda Murphy, and I'm the author of the Free Motion Quilting Idea Book, and I'd like to tell you about my new book, the Rulerwork Quilting Idea Book. So it's in the same format as my other book, but this time we're working with rulers in combination with free motion. I'm a spokesperson for the Bernina long arm, and I do a lot of machine quilting, whether on a domestic or on a long arm, and so I teach around the country, and I love to teach ruler work. It just lets people get a really precise finish that they don't always get with free motion. So that's what this book's about. So here, let me show you where it starts. It starts with straight line ruler designs, and they're probably the most common design that you do with rulers. And ruler work originated with long arm machines and moved to domestic machines. And of course, on long arms, you don't have feed dogs. So ruler work's the way you get a straight line. So in the book, I show you a variety of ruler work designs. And then I show you how to fill them in. These are straight line designs, and I'm filling them in with free motion and all the different looks you can do. So now if you saw this on fabric, it would look like this. So we have a simple design made with straight lines, and then when we fill it in with free motion, it becomes alive and it gets really textural. And that's what's so fun about combining ruler work with free motion. So here's another straight line design. And here it is being filled in with free motion. And notice that you don't have to do complex free motion. You can do simple back and forth designs, and it creates a lot of movement in your quilt. I stitch along my ruler to get a straight line. And then I pivot up the side of the design and stitch along my ruler again. And then I move my ruler, and I can use the echo lines on the ruler to make the next line. So this really minimizes the marking of your quilt top. After we go through straight line designs, and you can see some more here, we come on to connecting corners and connecting things with curves. And look at the variety of designs you can get just with a simple curved ruler. It's so much easier to do this with a ruler than just with free motion, because you can get those smooth curves even for distances of 4 or 6 inches. You can get it completely smooth. And as you know, if you're a domestic quilter, that can be challenging to get smooth on a domestic machine because you have to reposition your hands. So rulers really help you with that. Then we move into circles and petals and diamonds. And here are some circular designs. So let me show you this on fabric. So here we have a traditional scallop, which is made with half a circle. And if I go on the top of my border and I do another scallop, that's what I get. I get these lovely petal and diamond shapes, and that's a great border. I show you lots of different borders like this in the book. And then here, that's the same design filled in with free motion. But what if we wanted to show a design where we did the free motion in this area and left this area nice and puffy? I'll show you what that looks like next. So here we have a design with the free motion on the opposite side. I've made those scallops with rulers, of course, and then I've filled in with free motion. Let me show you something else you can do with the circle. So if you used a circle and you made quadrant marks on your quilt top at 45-degree angles, and you brought up your thread in the middle and you brought a circle template over, you could go straight around the circle template and then move your circle template so that it's over on this line and go around the template again. And what you get when you keep going around is something like that. And that's what's so exciting about ruler work. To be able to do this with rulers is just so much easier. This would be very difficult to free motion. So people really feel liberated when they realize they can do this with rulers and then fill in with motion and get something totally unique. So this is something created with rulers, circle rulers, and then with free motion. Now, just so you see how easy it is to follow along with the book, I thought I'd show you some of those pages. So here's what it looks like. On this page you can see that it shows you to draw the quadrant lines, and then it shows you step by step how to stitch out the design. You can definitely do this on your domestic machine. And then I take you through variations. So what if you wanted to do this design as an all-over fill? I can't wait to see what you guys do with the Rulerwork Quilting Idea Book.